Warning, this is not a test. The two government has been issued by Emergency Alert System during the COVID-19. Earlier today, the Beirut port from Lebanon is gonna explode in 5 minutes because someone made a fire from the Beirut port. The Beirut explosion can cause Ogiga earthquake, Ogiga COVID-19, Ogiga tsunami, Ogiga shockwave and Ogiga flood. If you can take shelter immediately, you will not be able to get out of your house. This concludes a final broadcast of Johnny Halono Emergency Alert System. God save our nation.
En Gran Bretaña, la bomba argentina, pero en lugar de Argentina, Reino Unido y en lugar de Londres. Buenos Aires.